Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 7, and our today's topic is chapter number 1, lesson number 3, 4 and 5. Dear students, let's start our today's topic. It is topic chapter number 1 and lesson 3, 4 and 5. It is lecture number 2 and HW number 2. Dear students, here lesson number 3, it is kufur. Name is kufur. You know, here definition I have given the definition of kufur. Make it. You can write it in your copy also. It is a note for all of you. Kufr is an Arabic word. It means to deny, to disbelieve, to conceal, to cover, etc. In the Islamic terminology, to disbelieve in the Almighty Allah and any one of fundamental aspects of Islam is called kufr. So here are the 7 fundamental aspects of Islam. Among the 7 fundamental aspects, if anyone deny anything or any one of the aspects, then he or she will be called kufr. Okay, the students, here 4 signs of kufr. Here, to deny the Almighty Allah, to deny other fundamental aspects of Iman, such as to disbelieve in the Prophet and the Messenger, divine books, angels, or the last Prophet or Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, to deny the fundamental and first ibadat of Islam. So, if anybody deny the fundamental or first ibadat or Islam, or anybody don't do it willingly, understand? Willingly. To think halal things as haram, and similarly to think haram thing as halal, it is also kufr. Okay, understand? So to think then wine, gambling, interest, all these things are halal. Thinking this, it is called kufr. Here are so many bad consequences of kufr. About these bad consequences, Allah the Almighty says, وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَكَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا أُولَٰئِكَ أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ هُمْ فِيهَا خَالِدُونَ. It is Surah Baqarah, verse number 39. So, dear students, you know that there are so many bad consequences are described in your book. If you give the answer CD, you can give these verses here, then your marks will be raised. Okay, now come to this chapter number 1, lesson number 4. It is about shirk. You know, shirk means making partnership. Shirk means to share anybody as a partner, as equal partner to Allah. Okay, in the Islamic terminology, to consider anything to be a partner or sharer of the Almighty Allah is called shirk. So what is called shirk here? Wordly meaning are here. To compare anything equal to Allah is also shirk. And so if anybody compare anything to Allah, the person will be called mushrik. Understand? Who is mushrik? You have gotten here. So types of shirk. Shirk are mainly of 3 types. They are to associate anyone with Allah the Great as his partner. Okay. Now, for example, Allah has his father, son or wife. To have such belief. Number 2 or B is to associate Allah's attributes with someone else. For example, to believe in more than one creator. Okay. Third number, to associate other in the ibadat of Allah. In other words, to worship other not for the satisfaction of Allah. For example, to worship fire or idol, something like that. So worshipping anyone else is also shirk. Okay. So bad result and consequences of shirk. Shirk is a heinous crime. Allah the Almighty says that in the shirk la zulmun azim, meaning surely shirk is a serious tyranny. Okay, and Allah will not forgive the mushrik. Understand? Allah will not forgive the mushrik without doing tawbah. Understand? So it is the kabira guna. Shirk is kabira guna. The consequences of shirk are very terrible. Almighty Allah does not forgive the crime of shirk. He says in the Quran, Inna Allaha la yaghfiru an yushrika bihi wa yaghfiru ma duna dhalika liman yasha'u. Surah Nisa. It is. Okay, so it is very much dangerous thing. You should keep away from this shirk and don't think like that shirk or halal thing like haram. Understand? It is now come to lesson number 5. it is Iman Mufassal. You know, it is learned. You have learned it before. Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi wa kutubihi wa rusulihi wal yawmil akhiri wal qadri khairihi wa sharrihi min Allah ta'ala wal ba'si ba'da al maut. This is Iman Mufassal. You know, its meaning is Amantu billahi, I believe in Allah, wal malaikati, angel, wa kutubihi, kitab, or rusulihi, on Rasul, wal yawmil akhiri means day of judgment, wal qadri khairihi wa sharrihi, all the things good and bad comes from where? Comes from Allah, min Allah ta'ala. Wal ba'si ba'da al maut. Wal ba'si means life again after death. Okay, there will be another life after death. So believe in these things, fundamental things. It is called what? Iman. It is Iman Mufassal. You have to memorize it, and you have to. Here is the meaning also. I believe in Allah, His angels, divine books, messengers, akhirat, and taqdeer. Taqdeer means good and bad thing. All things come from Allah. Resurrection after death. Here, so there are you know that the significance of belief in Iman Mufassal are vast. Without believing these things, nobody can be a true Muslim. So believing these things are must in a Muslim's life. And here is the SW. Dear students, in SW you have to write the Amantu billahi wa malaikatihi in Arabic. You have to write it in Arabic. And you have to write it meaning. Here is the SW I have given. SW number 2, write the meaning of Iman Mufassal. Of course, you have to write the Arabic one also. Iman Mufassal, write Arabic in Arabic and its meaning also. Iman Mufassal. Memorize this meaning also. Dear students, that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you have understood these 3 lessons and you have read it very carefully at home. Do the HW, submit it on Saturday. That's all for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.